I like to talk about reliability. Reliable machinery installation is my passion, and I think we can all agree this is important. But have you noticed any changes in your professional lives lately? You should, as reliability has become more and more important. The voice of the maintenance engineer has become stronger. One explanation is the increasing focus on sustainability. To us, it's obvious that the two are connected. Reliable maintenance is sustainability put to practice. And we have been working hard to show this to the world. Finally, our hard work has paid off. As responsible professionals, we have known this all along. The difference is, now people around us are starting to realize too. Yesterday, we were background characters. Today, we're heroes. Tomorrow, stars.